Hi friend, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make a green laser. The most important thing for a green laser is a infrared laser. So basically green laser are produced from infrared laser having wavelength of 808. So let's see how we can able to make a green laser. So you can see friend, a green laser is produced. So first of all you require a driver unit. So I have made this driver unit with LM317, and next you require a housing unit. So you can purchase this from any Amazon or online shop, and after that you have to replace the 5 milliwatt laser diode with 250 milliwatt infrared 808 nanometer wavelength diode. So after installing the diode, you have to secure the connections as shown in the video to avoid any short circuit. So now friend, I have installed the housing and the infrared laser part is complete. Now you can see when I am connecting the laser unit with power supply, it is producing 808 wavelength infrared laser. You cannot able to see it with open normal eyes, so but with camera you can see the light, so it is very risky. So now you require the main crystal. So this crystal, there is two part. One part converted the wavelength to 1064, and after that the second crystal converted the wavelength from 103 to 10364 to 532 nanometer, which is green in color. So you can see friend, now I have installed the crystal unit inside the housing, and let's see how it works. So friend, you can see the infrared laser is now converted to green laser. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.